Up lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a very quick and simple half up half down hairstyle tutorial using Brazilian wool. Now I already have my hair washed and blow dried. Also it's already sectioned out. The side will be for the ponytail later, so let's just move it out of the way for now. So this is the back side. It's already in the cornrow and I'll be crocheting this section. Here are the items I'll be using for the style. Starting with the hair, I'm using just 2 bundles of the Brazilian wool which I've already stretched. You can check my other videos on how I stretch and feather the ends. Now for the gels, I'll be using the Eco Styler gel and edge control and also the Got to Be Free spray. Moving on to the combs and brushes, first a rat tail comb, then a detangling brush, also an edge brush, and most importantly a hard brittle brush. For the sections and wrapping up, I've got some elastic bands, a thread, some hair clips, and then a pair of scissors. Now the final item is a heating tool to press the extensions. So let's begin with the crochet. This is my cornrow braid pattern. You can choose to go with any braid pattern you like. I made 4 large size cornrows. That's how much I'll be taking out to crochet. Remember, the texture of this hair makes it appear full always, and with today's look I don't want it very full, so I'm taking out small pieces. And it's the regular crochet. As always, I'm double knotting to secure it in. So I'm going to quickly finish up with the crochet and then we'll move on to the next step. So it took me like 20 minutes to finish crocheting this part. Moving on to the next step, I'll be trimming and pressing the extensions. So first I cut off the ends just a little bit, not much. I'm only cutting out to the long pieces. I don't want it blunt. I still want to maintain the feathered ends for a more natural look. This next step is completely optional. If you are going for a more silky and smooth look, then go ahead and press the hair. I have the heating tool on the highest setting, which is 220. It's been heating for some time now. Passing it through once or twice is enough to get it silky. That's how it looks now. I'm done with this section. Now let's move on to the ponytail. So I have this section already blow dried. Now to make it easy and more sleek, I'll be doing them in 3 sections. Go ahead and take out the first section. It's usually the biggest section. Again, you decide with the section where you want the ponytail, either high or low. So after taking out each section, make sure to comb through right from the roots to the ends to take out all the kinks. Now with the gel, I'll apply a thin layer only to the roots and then go in with a hard brittle brush to brush it into the hair to sleek it. I'll be gathering the hair while brushing it, so once I have it all gathered, I'll hold it in place with these small elastic bands. So I'm going to repeat this till I have all of them together, and with the final section, I'm going to use the thread to tie it. For the final touches on here, I'm going to reinforce it with some edge control. Next, I'm going to braid the ends and put it in a bun for the ponytail. Then finally spray on some got to be free spray and wrap a scarf to set it. So when it comes to the ponytail, you can either crochet or use the rubber band method. I'm going with the rubber band method today. It's the fastest among the two. Now I'll take out this much of the Brazilian wool and then tie the rubber band around in the middle just like this. This will be the part I wrap around the band to attach it. I made 3 separate pieces and I'll be wrapping them around in different directions. So I left it to set for some time, about 30 minutes. It's still damp. You can sit under a dryer to hasten the drying process. But let's just go ahead and attach the hair. I'll have the first piece going across the face. The second will move towards the nape and the final piece will be on the side. You can have a fourth piece on the other side as well. I was just satisfied with the volume after the third piece. Wrap it as tight as you can and don't worry too much about the rubber bands showing. I'll be covering it with the hair soon. Now to cover the rubber bands and also to lift and give the ponytail some structure, I'll take out separate pieces of the hair like this and then begin to wrap it around the base of the ponytail. I'll continue to wrap until the band and the rubber band is fully covered. You can repeat this once or twice. And also you do realize I'm not taking the pieces from the ponytail but rather separate. I don't want to take from any side to alter the volume of the ponytail. So that's how it looks. It looks very neat. As you can see, there is no rubber band peeping through. Now for the final step, just as I did with the crochet part, I'll trim and flat iron this part too for a smooth look. Spray some free spray on here to prevent unraveling and to lock it in. And now that's the final look. This is cute, it's simple, it's quick and very easy to do. It's also very affordable. With just 2 bundles of the Brazilian wool, you can create this look. I usually do this when I'm at a crossroad on what to do with my hair and it never fails to save the day. This can be done under an hour or less. So that'll be all for today's video. Let me know what you all think of this one and also what style you want to see next on the channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you all pretty soon in the next one. Bye for now.